Lexus raises the bar again as we step into the future, pushing the boundaries of performance, style, and technological innovation with the all-new 2024 Lexus LBX. So, want to know why I think this could become Lexus's best-selling car? Let's dive right in. Let's begin with the performance. The 2024 Lexus LBX might be small in size, but that doesn't mean it's small in performance. This baby luxury SUV is powered by a self-charging, new generation Lexus hybrid electric system, the same one used in the new Toyota Yaris Cross. This system features a lightweight, compact 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine, producing 134 horsepower and 136 pound-feet of torque, and it'll get you from 0 to 60 in around 8.8 seconds. So you won't be winning many drag races, but it is fast enough for everyday use. But here's the thing. Lexus specifically redesigned the principal hybrid system components, including the transaxle and power control unit, to adjust to this new SUV. The main goal was to improve efficiency, reduce as much weight as possible, and make the size as small as possible. Not just that, but the new LBX also features a new high-output, low-resistance nickel-metal hydride battery that provides extra support to the electric motor, especially when accelerating. This also helps when it comes to extending or increasing the car's all-electric EV driving capability. I mean, that's a whole package right there. Lexus adorned this baby SUV in a way that features a more rewarding performance than the previous systems. I mean, look at it. The front-wheel drive variants feature a torsion beam rear axle, while the all-wheel drive system has a more advanced double wishbone setup. If that's not a catch, then what is? Next, let's talk about the elegant interior. Once you enter this car, you'll immediately notice that this isn't a Toyota, but in fact a Lexus. The designers put a lot of work into making the interior super refined and luxurious. Despite being a smaller SUV, the interior creates the feel of a higher segment model, mostly because of the perfect visibility due to the open view, smooth and minimalistic instrument panel, and the center console with a commanding presence. The thing is, all these factors actually make the interior look more organized, and it feels bigger than it actually is. This is a win-win, especially when the car in question is a mini SUV. Now, if we talk about the upholsteries, you get to choose from different options. For those who love a luxurious look and feel to their car, top-quality semi-aniline leather is the way to go. But if you prefer vegan-friendly options, then worry not, because the new LBX has the option for synthetic leather interiors as well. Oh, and how can we forget the new Tsusami charcoal inlays? What's that, you must be wondering? Well, that's a new film technique that uses multiple layers, giving a highly textured appearance to the upholstery. Apart from the ambient lighting inside, the 2024 LBX is on another level. You'll surely feel more at home when inside the new LBX, that's a promise. The lighting is done so that different parts of the cabin are highlighted. Also, here's the fun part. You can choose from a range of 50 different colors and themes for the interior lighting. So make sure you get the one that you like the best. Up next, let's have a look at its stunning infotainment system. The new LBX doesn't lack when it comes to the infotainment system either, and that's what many of you would love about it. Okay, so for starters, let's talk about the driver's cockpit, as it's inspired by Lexus's Tazuna concept, which was first seen in the NX midsize SUV. It's a lot like the Tazuna concept, but honestly looks unique in its own way too. This means that all the principal controls and information sources are placed immediately around the driver, allowing the driver to access everything with minimal movements of both hands and eyes. Talk about being super easy to manage. Wait a minute, there's more to it. Have you seen the steering wheel? Notice how its angle and position are so carefully curated. Yes, that's right. All this effort has made the driver feel more comfortable and confident while driving the new LBX. Apart from that, the new LBX features a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument display. The thing we loved about the layout of the new display is that it's super customizable. I mean, not every brand allows you to set the prominence of meters and other data according to the driving mode. If this doesn't satisfy your need for an outworldly infotainment system, you can also get the optional heads-up display. Since we're talking about the interior, we have to see how comfortable these seats are. Well, you're in for good news here as well. This baby SUV features seats with low hip point. For more comfort and support, you won't feel like your torso is gone for good when on long drives. the driver isn't the only one who will enjoy the comfort. In fact, Lexus made sure the other passengers get the same treatment. The rear seats are kept a little higher, so passengers sitting in the back aren't deprived of the view. And these seats also have a low hip point. There's that, but what about the rest of the cabin? The cabin is surely a big catch here, as it features upholstered side pads, 2 cup holders, and several storage points. Speaking of storage, the load compartment is one hell of a deal, as it offers 332 liters of space. The new LBX also features a 9.8-inch touchscreen and is also equipped with the latest Lexus Link Connect system. And with everything else, Mark Levinson, Lexus's exclusive audio partner, has also provided the optional premium system for the car. This means that you can literally do a whole party inside the new LBX when going on a drive with your pals. After all, this system features an array of 13 optimally positioned speakers, including a subwoofer installed in the back door so that there's no loss of space in the cargo compartment. And we hope you're not thinking that this is all about the new LBX, because we still have the safety features to discuss. So let's find out everything about its safety and driver assistance. This baby SUV features the latest generation of Lexus Safety System Plus, equipping the car with advanced systems to detect any accident risk, alert the driver, and provide automatic steering. Not just that, the braking and drive force is also controlled automatically when a hazardous situation comes up. The pre-collision system, along with the intersection turn assist, helps in lowering the chances of any crash or collision in the best way. If all that doesn't make you feel safe, then here's more for you. The LBX also features dynamic radar cruise control, road sign assist, and lane keep assist as well. So yeah, if you're in the LBX's hands, you're actually good to go. While these are some safety features that'll come in handy if something goes wrong, the new LBX comes with features that'll help you avoid getting things wrong. For example, they added intelligent parking sensors and a blind spot monitor so that the burden from the driver can be reduced. Now that's what we call quality and safety in one place. And let's not forget about the optional safety features. You can get a front cross-traffic alert system as well as a panoramic view monitor in your 2024 LBX for an extra fee, but it's definitely worth it. Then there's the remote parking option that will allow you to park your car just by using your smartphone. Tight space parking struggles? Say goodbye to them. That's something I definitely needed. Oh, and while we're on the topic, let's not forget that the LBX comes with a new wet arm wiper that you might have seen on Lexus's flagship LC and LS models. This might be the best advancement to allow the driver to have better visibility in poor weather conditions. Lastly, we have the estimated price and the exterior look. Alright, the big reveal. At an estimated price of about $40,000, the new LBX looks a lot more luxurious than its price. Yes, you heard that right. The new frontal arrangement is the best part about the exterior, as it breaks the spindle grille. This is new because the spindle grille had been a design hallmark in Lexus's previous models for a long time. The new grille is unified in a single trapezoid shape, placed just below the narrow aperture that runs beneath the bonnet's leading edge, joining the headlight units. Not just that, since the new LBX's exterior is based on Lexus Next Chapter design, its proportions and design are more rooted in the driving experience than anything else. The front pillars are pulled back to make it look more compact than it is. In fact, the rear of the car also projects a strong stance. The license plate is placed on the bumper, while the company logo is engraved on the back door. If we speak of the overall size, the new Lexus LBX is 164.9 inches long, 71.8 inches wide, and 60.8 inches high. Also, it has a wheelbase of 101.5 inches. That's pretty compact compared to other cars in the same class. Oh, and you won't be stuck with those boring colors, because the color choices for the exterior include vivid shades such as elegant blue and Matador red mica, along with Lexus's deep luster sonic finishes. Lexus is definitely improving its design aesthetics. We can definitely count on the LBX to provide a smooth blend of excellent performance and luxury for an affordable price. But perhaps it's a bit too small? Well, click the video on your screen and we'll tell you all about the latest Lexus NX and why you should buy one today.